This dish came into fashion under Rama V, the king of Siam, also known as Thailand. He ruled from 1873 till 1910. Pretty good looking guy. He became king when he was 20. At 20, man, I could fuck a country up. Although I look like an international perpetrator who would go to Thailand for a sexual vacation, in this case, I am not. I go there to swim with the peanuts, not with penis. I'm here for the culinary diversions. Since Ches Epstein shut down in the warm Caribbean, let's look at Thailand. I mean, there's 100 other islands exactly like Jeff Epstein's in the Caribbean. But, I mean, Thailand, give it a chance. You can book it any time of the year. You don't need to give them a lead time. You just go there and you'll find something to satisfy you. Thailand is still my go-to. And, let's go. It's a pretty simple curry. It's just a big boil down, basically. I mean, at 20 years old, I could mess up a car, much less a country. It has been said that your greatest tool in the kitchen is your hands. I'm not afraid to burn this tool. Imagine yourself swimming in a sea of peanut swaths. I'm here for the culinary diversions.